Good morning students. In this video we are going to see equations reducible to linear equations. In that exercise 2.6 fourth sum we are going to see the sum is given like this: 3y plus 4 divided by 2 minus 6y is equals to minus 2 by 5. So usually the equation will be in a straight line, right children? So it is given now in the fraction form. In the fraction form we have seen already, we have seen some equations. Variables will be in left hand side also as well as in right hand side also, but here variables are in numerator as well as in denominators, so it is in the fractional form. So we have to convert this fractional form into normal form first, then we have to go with the solving of linear equation as usual. So first of all we should know how to convert this one into a normal form. For a simple solution for this, we can give an example, like we can take a rational number like this. 1 by 2 will be equal to, for this one will be equal to 2 by 4, right children? So this is called as a equivalent fractions. From this we will come to know here what is this, how to go with the solution. So first see this, 1 by 2 equals to 2 by 4. How this comes? 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So to prove whether it is equal or not, what we can do? We have to cross multiply. 4 1s are is, then this side 2 2s are. So what is 4 1s are? 4 1s are is 4, 2 2s are is 4. So this is correct. Like the same way we are going to follow with this one. Okay. So numerator by denominator equals to, again one numerator by denominator is there. So how we have done the same here we are going to do now. So first take the left hand side. So this should be cross multiply with this, and here it should be cross multiply with this. So 5 into 3y plus 4 equals to minus 2 into 2 minus 6y. Right? So how we have done? 4 into 1 equals to 2 into 2. The same way. This is called as an equivalent fraction. And this is also equivalent fraction, but it is given in the variable form. Linear equation form it is given. So now already we know to remove the bracket. What is the way to remove the bracket? This and this should be multiplied, and this should be multiplied the same way. Right children? So 5 into 3 is 15. 5 3s are 15. 15y plus 5 4s are is 20 equals to 2 2s are 4. But here in front of this 2 plus is there, in front of this 2 minus is there. So minus into plus is minus. 2 6 are is 12. Then y is there, taken right y. Minus into minus plus. Now this became the normal equation. Now we can bring y to the same side. So variable is in both the side. Now I am bringing y to the same side. Here this is 12y and here this is 15y. So 15y. This plus 12y will bring here as minus 12y equals to minus 4 is already in the constant here in the right hand side. This plus 20 will come here as minus 20. So 15 minus 12 is 3y equals to minus 4 minus 20 is minus 24. Now y is equals to minus 24 divided by 3. In the 3 table event we can cancel the number. 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are is 24. So y is equal to minus 8 will be the answer. So one more time I am saying, so take the equivalent fraction as example. We know 1 by 2 equal to 2 by 4. So how to check it? We will bring 4 to this hand side and 2 to that hand side. We will cross multiply. This is called as cross multiplication. So now 4 1s are left hand side, 2 2s are is it right hand side. 4 1s are 4, 2 2s are 4. So this is equal. So the same method we are going to apply here. This 5 I have taken here and this denominator I have taken there. So cross multiply and then bring the equation, normal equation from. Then afterwards we can solve the equation. So this is how to reduce the linear